If you are in need of survey instrument accessories in Noida Sector 50, look no further than Scon Design. As one of the leading survey instrument accessory dealers in the area, Scon Design offers a wide range of high-quality accessories to meet the needs of professionals in the field. Whether you are looking for tripods, prism poles, surveying targets, or any other accessory, Scon Design has it all. With their extensive inventory and expert staff, they are able to provide customers with the products they need to successfully complete their projects. Scon Design is known for their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that time is of the essence in the surveying industry, and they strive to provide their customers with the products they need in a timely manner. Their knowledgeable staff is always available to answer any questions or concerns that customers may have, ensuring that they are able to make informed decisions about their purchases. In addition to their wide selection of survey instrument accessories, Scon Design also offers competitive pricing. They understand the importance of staying within budget, and they work hard to provide their customers with affordable options. Whether you are a large company or an individual surveyor, Scon Design has solutions that will fit your needs and budget. Not only does Scon Design provide high-quality survey instrument accessories, but they also offer excellent customer service. Their friendly and professional staff is always ready to assist customers with any inquiries or issues they may have. Whether you need help finding a specific accessory or have questions about the functionality of a product, Scon Design is there to help. With their extensive inventory, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service, they are able to meet the needs of professionals in the surveying industry. Look no further than Scon Design if you require survey instrument accessories in Noida Sector 50. Scon Design provides a large selection of high-quality accessories to fulfill the demands of experts in the field as one of the leading survey instrument accessory vendors in the region. Scon Design carries all the accessories you might possibly need, including tripods, prism poles, surveying targets, and other items. They are able to give consumers the supplies they need to effectively finish their projects because to their vast inventory and knowledgeable team, Scon Design is renowned for its dedication to client satisfaction. They work hard to give their customers the things they require as soon as possible because they realize how important timing is in the surveying sector. Customers can always get help from their skilled team with any queries or issues they may have, enabling them to make wise judgments about their purchases. Scon Design not only has a large assortment of survey equipment attachments, but they also have affordable prices. They strive to offer their customers options that are within their customers' means because they see the value of doing so. Whether you're a big business or a lone surveyor, Scon Design provides solutions that will suit your requirements and price range. Scon Design not only offers premium survey instrument accessories, but also top-notch customer support.